Hi cuties, my name is Rutuja and welcome back to our channel. I know what a struggle it is to apply like a perfect wing eyeliner, and in that process I always get late to work. But don't you worry, I have figured it out and I'm going to share it with you guys how to get a perfect wing. Okay, so just for fun guys, I'm going to show you two different hacks and I'm going to use two different eyeliners. Now I'm going to use the Plum I Swear by eyeliner pen on my right hand side. And on my left hand side, I'm going to use the Plum I Swear by matte liner. And let's begin. Okay guys, so did you see how quick it was? I mean, both the hacks worked really amazing. Now this hack I think works for Indian makeup, like if you are doing like you're wearing some traditional outfits, so this works really well. And this one is good for your cute college outfits or something like that, and college and office, it works really well. So this one is for your day-to-day look. That's all guys, here we come to an end, and I hope you guys like this video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you all have any questions or hacks related to makeup or skincare, you can leave it in the comment section below. Yeah, that is it. So till then, stay happy. Bye.